Disclaimer, disclaimer, disclaimer. You must read and agree with this before you start. Okay, so show everyone where is the back pain.
Show everyone, sorry, it's around.
Around here. Okay, it's in the middle. Actually, anywhere else.
Anywhere else?
Anything on the side.
No, it's quite center.
Center, okay.
Quite center.
Okay. All right.
Maybe the area is kind of like 2 thumb thick.
Okay,
Yeah.
2 thumbs thick. Okay.
Yeah.
Let me see. Okay.
Yeah, that's good. Yeah.
4, 5, S1. So the S1 area. Forward and backwards.
What do you mean by forward backward?
Bend forward and bend backwards and see whether it will increase the pain or not.
Bending forwards a bit, like about to this area.
Pain level out of 10?
Bending forwards about 5, 6 now. 6. And then backing backward. Oh, that's a bit hard. 6, 7.
Okay.
Yep.
Sideways?
Sideways. This side. 6.
Okay.
5.
Okay, see. Yes. We're going to turn around. Yeah. Because so people can see.
Okay.
Okay.
What are you going to
Sit
do?
over here, facing over there.
Facing over here.
Yes. Right. Yes.
Yeah.
Pain over here.
Yes.
Over here.
Yes, it's
Over
more
here.
sensitive. Yes, it's sensitive too.
Which one? We'll go in.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4.
They're all sensitive to me.
All sensitive to you.
Sorry.
Okay, that's good. That is good. Which means the pain is more, it's up to your higher as well. How about lower here?
Don't feel my yeah, from here onwards. I feel
I feel onward
Yeah. Yes, from here onward.
over here,
Yes.
over here.
Not much now.
Okay.
Reducing. I
Alright.
need to pull my hair up.
Okay, good.
Is that good enough?
Here, right?
Oh, yes.
Okay. Let me show you needle technique. You might want to walk and a bit closer to see the needle technique. So I find it's about that much. But what we told Dr. Tan, number 1, you can do more needle, bang, 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 bang. There's one idea for you.
That means the needle overlock, like
Along,
needle
yeah.
overlock.
So you can put more needle in it. There's multiple needles. You can do that, like one with that. But what about one needles? Can you do just one needle? Yes. Yes. So you can use one needle through all the point. Right. Going in.
That's quite sensitive.
That's quite, yeah, one needle is more sensitive because you need needle in and out of it. So I'm going to explain to you. Let's see the result first.
Wow, that's really sensitive.
It is very sensitive. So more sensitive, more stimulation, more pain. With just one needle, if you want to save the needles, and
So what
the
did you
patient
do?
need to suffer with pain. If you don't mind saving needles, put more needle and like when do you feel more pain? Just not much pain, right? When I needle it.
No, not too much.
Yeah, not too much because I put 2 needles in there. If I do the technique like this, you feel
Yeah, quite
More
sensitive.
dull ache?
Yeah.
Is that what you're feeling?
try again.
No, it's not just dull eye. When it first comes in, I don't know where
You should try later on. Which needle you?
What did you do? Tell me. Did you just put the
Try it
needle-
out.
Okay. It's reduced.
Bend forward and backwards. And
Forward.
the pain level,
Bend backwards. Wow. Way
It's like
better.
being a blind,
Yeah. Bend forward is still a bit. It's about 3.
okay, where is the pain? You want to ask again? Where is the pain right now?
Banging backwards is so good. I can dance now. Yeah. It's the forward, but it's
Okay,
still.
it's the forward bit.
Yeah.
Where is the pain when you forward?
When I forward, just over here. I feel like when I bend forward, the
It's
needle
higher.
over here is tight.
It's high. Okay.
Yeah, the
Okay.
needle is painful.
It's higher
sensitive.
now. It wasn't
no,
here.
it's about the same. It's about
Oh, you last saw me the
Yeah.
same. Okay, forward and show me.
forward, it's about. It's about here.
What about here? Is it deep?
It is.
Okay.
Feels like quite
Good.
deep. It's a doubt one.
I'll talk about the needle, what I do, because you can't see it, but you can see that I go up and down, right? A few times.
And what did you do?
I actually change the direction. I'll talk about it.
Okay.
Don't worry.
Are you pulling it out now?
Yes, out a bit and go in.
Oh, reaching out a sensitive point. Ooh.
Not really. It does take a bit of time for the needle technique.
That's more sensitive. It made me have a goosebump.
Okay, try again.
Oh, that's great.
That's great now. You see?
This is really great.
Great.
Yeah.
So sometimes
It's
when
down
you
to
need
about
it,
one now.
good. That's good. Just keep it one needle.
Okay.
You can keep it for whole day actually.
Keep it for a whole day.
Yeah.
I'm gonna steal that needle, right?
Take home and come back.